Hey, users out there. Hope you're doing good today. So, today we're going to talk about Harvard's master's program in data science and what is the difference between 60,000 and 40,000 degree. So, Harvard needs no introduction, but if you had been following our College Hippo website, blog, and all of each year, we have been covering Harvard University pretty extensively for its master's program. And we were the first one to write about online's master program of Harvard University. But this is not about Harvard's just online masters, but about what it offers the degrees, multiple degrees for data science. So Harvard's ranked number three, location Cambridge, Massachusetts, private university, graduation rate 97%, acceptance rate less than 4%, right? That is for undergraduate. So for graduate programs, that will be different. Harvard has 12 degree granting schools there. And Harvard Business School, Harvard Law School needs no introduction. They are world famous. But if you're not aware, Harvard also has Divinity, Graduate School of Design, Arts and Science. I'm not going to go through the complete list, but let's jump on to the Data Science Master's Program. So, Harvard University offers a data science master's program through its John A. Paulson School of Engineering and Applied Sciences. And this is a on campus program, right? And remember, this is not something which you can do in a hybrid mode. You will have to go in the college and do it for 2 full years there, right? But the second one is Harvard Extension School, which is Master of Liberal Arts in Data Science. Notice the difference there, right? And the third one is Master of Science in Health Data Science, and we're going to talk in details about it. All right, so let's jump on to the first one, Masters in Data Science. All right, Harvard's Master in Data Science is offered by SAS College, which is Paulson School of Engineering and Applied Sciences. There are 12 courses in it. It is going to take 2 years to complete it. The tuition is $61,000, 768, and then maybe some additional cost there. The good news is GRE is not required, but that doesn't mean it will not accept GRE, right? So it is still not clear to a lot of people out there if they are saying GRE not required, similar to SAT, should the GRE be there or not, right? But as it says, GRE is not required. So at least you're not on a hook for GRE. All right, let's jump into the details what this program offers. Okay, so the next exposure features of this one, it's an integrated computer science and statistics, right? Offers comprehensive training in statistical modeling, machine learning optimizations, and data sets. Practical application of learned methods, provides opportunities for deeper research through master's thesis project, right, or a capstone project, partnering in the industry for real world projects, and scheduling optimization. So as you can see, this is a thesis or a capstone option there, but a 2 years program. And this is gonna be a lot more details, which and I think I'm not going to the details of what is gonna be the courses look like. You can find from the website, but this gives you a fairly good idea. All right, so jumping on to the next one, which is your what is the admission requirements. Standard bachelor's degree in natural sciences, mathematics, computer science, or engineering, transcripts. It needs three letters of recommendations, personal statement, statement of purpose, writing samples, and GRE scores, as you mentioned, are not required, right? So let's go into this data science master's program. So Harvard Extension School. So this is a different school, and it offers a master of liberal arts in data science. It's a 12 course again, 48 credits, 24 months. But look at the price here. It drops by 50%. So close to 38,640, GRE not required. And the reason for that is that this is your online, and I'll just been jumping around there. I apologize for that because it says a blend of online and on campus learning experience. So it's mostly online. Last 1 month, you have to be at the Harvard University. And if you're an international student listening to this, I am not sure that how that's going to work out. Maybe you need to have a study visa, probably. But in the summertime, when you're here, the campus in the beautiful city of Cambridge, next to Charles River, is an absolutely beautiful place here. All right, jumping on to this, what are the features of this program? Then you can have a selection of core and electives. It's a capstone project for a month. There's a micro certificate option there, right? And as you can see that this is about soft skills talking about, and then some teamwork. which I think will be a part of 1 month project when you're doing at the Harvard campus. But mostly it is an online program there with some pre-recorded lectures there. Even if it's an online program, you do get access to advisors and faculty through their forums there. All right. Also, one thing to note is that the degree provided will not be just saying Harvard University from Engineering School. It says Harvard Extension School. And that is true for all Harvard Universities online programs which are offered through Harvard Extension. So, if it matters to you, please keep that in mind. Admission required for this data science master's program is 4 years degree, minimum GPA 3, academic transcripts, resume. And as you can see, that the admission requirements are not as strict as it was for Paulson School of Engineering's 2 year full time program here. All right. What is the next one? The Master of Science in Health Data Science from Harvard School, Chan School of Public Health, right? It is also a full-time 2 year on-campus programs. The good news is it is 16 months program with a tuition on $60,000. GRE scores are required for this one. They haven't made it option for this one. It's a 60 credit program there. What is the features of this program? This is for people looking for intersection of data science between health and the data out there. And as we you might be knowing that there's a in the medical field there's a tons of data and there is some specialization requirements there. So it combines the statistical, computational, and health science training. The hands-on learning is standard stuff, which is around data wrangling, visualization, statistic methods, and then you have research projects there. Then you have electives in biostatistics, computer science, and then you can also have a substitution option here, right? But that again requires an approval from the committee. So we just covered three programs here. Now just let's look at the summarization as to how are these three programs different. Okay, so the Howard A. John A. Paulson School offers a master's in data science. Howard Extension School offers a master's in liberal art, and Howard Chan School of offers a master of science in health. And I'm not going to go into the details of this program, but the tuition is important here: 61,000, 38,000, 60,000. And if you are looking for an on-campus programs, then basically you are looking for between masters in data science and master's science in health data science. If you're not sure what you want to do, there's an option for the health science there. Okay. Then there's the audience is students looking for a comprehensive education in data science, combines theoretical knowledge with practical applications. And as you can see, the second one is in combination of online there. So it is an online and on campus and it's targeted towards working professionals and those looking for a more flexible learning schedule, right? And for advancement of careers in data science there. So if you don't want to leave your job, 2 years of salary, I think this program works best for you. And the third one is individuals interested in applying data science to solve problem in healthcare, public health, and biomedical research. All right, GRE is not required for both of them, and for the data science, health data science, it is required there. Hope this was helpful, and I guess we had covered everything about the data science from Harvard. We are happy to answer any questions or any comments you have there. Please leave it down there, and do follow us on collegehippo.com. Thank you.